the housing market has gone through a massive run. So the people clamoring to get onto it now are really coming in at the peak because we're actually seeing signs that the market is coming off its high. The first signal when it comes to asset values is interest rates. Interest rates are to assets what gravity is to us. It will dictate the movement in assets the most out of anything. A very long time, interest rates were almost 0%, in which case debt was cheap and there was a lot of money supply in the market, which actually ended up in asset prices. So you saw interest rates falling down and assets value rising. So in economics, there's an inverse correlation between interest rates and asset prices. So if interest rates are falling from 1980s at 17% down to almost zero, you're gonna see massive inflation in assets, which is exactly what we saw in real estate. We've had probably the greatest real estate boom in the history ever in the last few years. And so now interest rates are going back up. In fact, they went up to close to 4.5%. They've just dropped recently to 4.1, but I really think that was a political move. So what we're seeing now is because interest rates are higher for longer, and you probably won't see them drop anytime soon,